Apple has just released its three new iPhones, the iPhone 11, the iPhone 11 Pro and the 11 Pro Max. And they are just amazing. The iPhone 11 Pro and the 11 Pro Max are same as the last year's iPhone XS and the XS Max. But there is one major difference, that is the third rear camera. The iPhone 11 is the successor to the iPhone XR. But today we are going to talk about the iPhone 11 Pro and the iPhone 11 Pro Max. According to the Apple CEO, Tim Cook, the iPhone 11 Pro is designed for customers who want the most sophisticated technology. There is new matte finish on the back with the new green color and some other color options like space gray, gold and the silver. Let's talk about the design and the display. The iPhone 11 Pro and the 11 Pro Max comes in four colors: space gray, silver, gold, midnight green with the new textured matte finishes. There is no 3.5mm of headphone jack. The iPhone 11 Pro comes with 5.8-inch 1125 by 2436 Super Retina XDR screen that comes in at 458 pixels per inch, while the iPhone 11 Pro Max comes with 6.5-inch 1242 2688 pixels Super Retina XDR screen that comes in at 458 pixels per inch. Both have 1200 nits of brightness, which means the display is super bright, and support for HDR10+. It's also supposedly more power efficient and has a 2 million to 1 contrast ratio, which means the blacks are super black. Both devices also have special audio sound, Dolby Vision and Dolby Atmos support. There is a stainless steel frame with front and back glass. The square camera bump with three rear cameras is placed on the top left corner of the device. The iPhone 11 Pro comes in at 188 gram, while the iPhone 11 Pro Max comes in at 226 gram. iPhone 11 Pro Max is little bit heavier than the iPhone 11 Pro. Both of the devices are IP68 water and dust resistant. The iPhone 11 Pro has three cameras on the back: a 12MP f2.0 telephoto, one with 2x optical zoom, a 12MP f1.8 wide-angle one, and a 12MP f2.4 ultra-wide one with a 120-degree field of view. The first two lenses have optical image stabilization. You can capture more things with an ultra-wide camera with 120-degree field of view. That's such an amazing thing. With a wider field of view and a large focal plane, the ultra-wide camera is great for shooting action videos. There is improved night mode, which can add 40% more light than its predecessor. This is the great improvement in terms of the night mode. All three cameras can shoot 4K at 60 fps, and this is such an amazing thing. On front, there is 12MP true depth camera, which is the huge improvement over the last year's 7MP camera. The Face ID is also improved. Face ID will work 30% more faster and from more angles. Face ID will work from more distance as well. With advanced camera and photo features, photo editing is more comprehensive with powerful new tools that now extend to video editing. Portrait lighting adjustments can be made right in the camera app to adjust the intensity of light on a subject, and a new high key mono effect creates a beautiful monochromatic look for portrait mode photos. Apple placed A13 Bionic chip in all three smartphones. According to Apple, the A13 Bionic chip is 20% faster than the previous A12 Bionic chip. Apple claimed that this is the fastest CPU and GPU in the smartphone. A13 Bionic is built for machine learning with a faster neural engine for real-time photo and video analysis and new machine learning accelerators that allow the CPU to deliver more than 1 trillion operations per second. Together, A13 Bionic and iOS 13 make up the best machine learning platform in a smartphone. The battery of iPhone 11 Pro can last longer, 4 hours more than the previous iPhone XS, while the iPhone 11 Pro Max battery can last longer, 5 hours more than the previous iPhone XS Max. This is the huge improvement in terms of the battery. There is also 18-watt fast charger. All three devices will run on iOS 13 out of the box, and there will be a system-wide dark mode for the first time. iOS 13 on iPhone 11 Pro and the iPhone 11 Pro Max delivers a seamless experience with software and hardware integration unlike any other smartphone. iOS 13 introduced a dramatic new look with dark mode, a more private way to sign into apps, and an all-new Maps experience. The iPhone 11 Pro and the 11 Pro Max will be available for pre-order on September 13th. And these devices are officially available from 28th September. The iPhone 11 Pro cost $999, while the iPhone 11 Pro Max cost $1,099. I will try to cover more things announced at Apple event, so keep tuned for that. Thank you so much for watching, guys. My name is Hamza. This is Advanced Unboxer, and I'll catch you in the next one.